guys! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey!
The only way we can do, mate.
Don't come down, Terry! Christ almighty!
We gotta drive back, we're not round the corner.
Well, we think we're going to be around it.
No.
Did we? Bit of it around it.
Well, I don't know, just keep going, right? We just
No, we've got to get back, we've got to get back. We've got to get back.
One, deploy. Ease. No, watch out. Guys.
We were the boat with all the rights on starboard, but yes, we couldn't get in there, and there's no point just ramming into people. You've got to avoid the collision, particularly at that speed, and so that's all we could do.